Okay guys, we are continuing with our trading, the key strategy. My student is growing this account. We started from $100. Our goal is to get to 20,000 in about 180 days. Okay, there about 180 days. Okay, we are using a very simple model. It is the compounding interest model. So we start from $100 and on day 0, and by day 180 you can see down here we should be at about 20k. Okay, now there are no guarantees, guys, okay, because what we are providing here is not financial advice or investment advice. This is risky stuff. Trading is very risky. You can lose your entire investment or part of it. Okay, so whenever you're starting to trade, make sure you only use money that you can afford to lose. Very, very important. Okay, so before we proceed, let us say a word of prayer. In the belief of the power Almighty, we pray that whatever trades we're going to take tonight, they will be in the money. Okay, we pray this in the belief of the power Almighty. Amen. Now, any students that are going to learn this technique, we pray that they will be successful in the belief of the power Almighty. Amen. Guys, so things happened. My student went on to take some trades, and now her account is at about 1,000 and something. You can see here 1,013, and this is episode number 13. This is trading day number 13. So you can see sometimes if you stay consistent, things are going to happen. If you put the effort and follow the rules, things are going to happen. Some magic happens. Okay, so let's go back to the key strategy. Those of you who are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and share with at least 5 people. We want to grow this channel to 1,000, and with your support, we can get this channel to at least 5,000. Okay, I'm sorry. We already have about 1,000 of you on here. We need to grow it to at least 5,000 before the end of the year. So if you only subscribe, invite 5 of your friends to subscribe and learn this simple strategy. They can also start making some money online. Okay, there are no guarantees. Okay, nothing is guaranteed here. It's very risky, just like any other business, online, offline, where it involves putting your money, you could lose. Okay, now some of you are asking if on this webinar are asking if we train one-on-one. Yes, you can join our masterclass. We have binary option masterclass. We have a Forex trading masterclass, crypto trading masterclass, which is the in thing now. You know what is going on out in the market, in the crypto market. You can go and check some of our previous videos in this channel that we have shared about how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptos, how to buy them. And we are actually continuing with a series on how to buy and trade crypto, including the Bitcoins. Okay, so don't miss that out. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below and we'll answer the questions. Okay, we have coaches from all over the world. Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan. He's been with us in the Smart Wolf Club for over 15 years. Mala is on here from Cape Town, South Africa. Has been with us for over 15 years. Josephine is on here from Sydney, Australia. She's been with us for over 13 years. Karinsis is on here from Berlin, Germany. She's been with us for over 13 years. Rosemary is on here from New York, in the United States. She's been with us for over 12 years. Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia, has been with us for over 17 years. Mr. Singh from India, Bombay, India, has been with us for over 17 years. And there are many, many others. Mr. Scott from London, UK, has been with us for over 15 years. And many, many others, which I cannot mention. Their total combined years of experience online is over 1,000 years, guys, okay? It doesn't matter where you come from. You can start small. You can start with $10. You can start with $100. You can start with $1,000. You can start with $10,000. You can start with $100,000. We have students who come in with boatloads of money, which they can afford to risk, which they can afford to lose, and they start trading at high levels. We have students who come and say, I only have $10, because we have students from all over the world. Okay, we have people come in here who live under $1 per day. We have people come in here who make $10 in a minute. So, it doesn't matter. Wherever you come in, whatever level, we like variety, and we train you based on your goals, based on your risk tolerance. So what I'm showing you here is a very simple strategy. We call it the KISS strategy, which is the trading strategy, which we use for our beginners, and even some of our advanced students still use the KISS strategy because it is a serious capital preservation strategy, okay? It helps you preserve your capital because most of you come to us when you're blowing accounts and losing money. So we show you a strategy that you can employ from day one and start making some profit, okay? Even though there are no guarantees, guys. Whatever we're providing here is for educational purposes only and for your entertainment. Do your own research. Whatever products we're going to recommend, whatever platform we recommend, we are not guaranteeing you any success because we don't know your work ethics. Most students come to us, and I've trained a lot of people over the years. We have trained a lot of people. A lot of students are lazy. They don't learn the strategies. They don't practice enough to succeed. Most of people want what we call get-rich-quick schemes. We are not providing any of that here. You have to put in the effort. You have to work. You have to sit your butt down and practice and practice. Excuse my French. And you have to practice this strategy, okay? Do this on the demo. Use paper money, okay? Use the platform's money. Practice and practice and practice. I cannot overemphasize that, okay? You have to practice, okay? So now, guys, let's jump in. This is video number 13. If you've missed the last 12 videos, go ahead and rewatch each one of those, guys. Don't even skip even one of them, okay? They are intentional. And I'm going to put the playlist link down here for you guys to go and watch those. Make sure you watch those, okay? Like and share and ask your questions, okay? The platform I'm using here, my student is using is a Pocket Option, okay? If you have another platform that you like, that is good. If you don't have Pocket Option, we have put a link in the description. Go and get your free demo account and start practicing, okay? So right now I'm going to jump into the trading session. We're going to start trading right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go and watch the previous videos. We have explained this strategy in details over the last 12 videos, okay? All right, so guys, let's jump in. So first, these are the rules that we follow right here. We are targeting a 3-day 3% profit daily, okay? 1% trading rule, that's what we are using, and we are using a modified Martingale strategy with a factor of 2.5x, okay? Now, if this doesn't make sense to you, go and watch our first, second, third, fourth videos, and you will understand this completely. We keep it simple, stupid in the community. And make sure you join the Smart Wolf Club community so you can have a chance to learn how to make money online. All these strategies, we offer digital marketing, we offer Forex trading, crypto trading, binary options trading, stocks trading, okay? And you can join the masterclass if you need a one-on-one training, okay? So, all right, so when we talk about 3% daily profit, so the first thing you do is you come here, you see that amount there? So that's the amount we're going to use. It's a 1,013.85. So you're going to put here 1,000. That's where we're starting off today, and multiply by 103%. So our goal today is 1,044.27. Okay, so we come here and we're going to make our notes here. So our goal today is 1,044.27. Level one is we just use the 1%, okay, trading rule, okay, so we are not going to be greedy. Don't be greedy, guys, you'll get your hands burnt. So it's 1,013.85, 1,013.85 times 1%. Okay, so our first level is $10.14. Okay, so this would be here. It's $10.14. Our level 2 trade is going to be, this is the modified martingale we are talking about here. You multiply this by a factor of 2.5, you get our second level, which is 25.35. We round it off to the nearest decimal, the 2 decimal places. There we go. Level number 3. Okay, level 3 is this one here. Oh, sorry, that's level 3 right there. Okay, so again, we come here and we multiply that by 2.5. It gives us 63.37. All right, so it's going to be 3.37. Then we have level number 4. I like to stop at level number 4, but my student has a higher risk tolerance, so she is saying she is comfortable to risk to level number 5. So we multiply that. But on average, if you go and watch our previous videos, you can see we are only getting to at least level number 4. I think it was we're only taking about 3 to 4 trades max to get to our goal. It's, I think, only one time that we ended up going much further than that. Okay, so there we go. And then I'm going to put an asterisk on level number 5, because when you start reaching this level, you're taking a really big risk of blowing your account, because you'll be taking a big chunk of your account. But how do we get the figure? Again, we just multiply every one of these by 2.5, and you can see it's 396.04, because you round off to the nearest 2 decimal places. Okay, all right, there we go. So now we have our target, and we can see our results. Our results is going to be so my student went on to trade on her own, grew there. I think the last video we left at 311, and she went on and traded several times that day. She spent a lot of time in the market, and she eventually got that the starting point was, so the starting point for today is, balance is, we are not withdrawing anything so far, because our goal is to get this account to 20K as soon as possible. Our goal was to do that in at least 180 days, because there are days you'll come here and lose. Okay, all right, there are days you're going to take trades and you probably just lose. But when you lose, you leave the market with your shoulders high and your head high, and go have fun. Okay, do what you like. If you like to play golf, go and play golf. If you like to volunteer, go and volunteer. If you like to sing, go and sing. If you like to cook, go to the kitchen. If you like to swim, go and swim. If you like to walk, go and walk. If you like to go to the gym. If you have a 9 to 5, go to your 9 to 5. All that, just get out of the market and then come back the next day. Because some days you just come in here and you have to lose, because the brokers are going to take your money, or the market is bad. You cannot control the market. So not every day you're going to lose, you're going to win. Okay, even though you might be experienced, you've been trading for a long time, you still lose. Okay, excuse me, guys. All right. All right, so let's get started. Some of you need a cup of coffee. Go get your cup of coffee, just relax. You've already prepared, everything is ready to go. So once you come to Pocket Options here, you come and look for your assets. So we're looking at the stocks that are paying 92%. Okay, so we're going to favorite at least 5 of these, or as many as you want. Okay, so these are all paying 92. We want the highest paying so that we can get a higher return to our backs as possible. So that means for every dollar you put in, you get $1.92. That's what 92% means, okay? And let's So it's 10.1385. That's the starting point. 10.1385, and that is today's trade. Okay, that's today's trade. Today's trade is that one. All right, we are starting from that level. Today's trade is that one. All right, we can just start from there. That's today's trade. That's where we are starting, and our goal is to get that to this amount here. So from here to here, so that's about $31. That's our goal. Okay, and you can see from our compound calculator that's exactly what we need to make, at least about 31 right here. $30, 31. So we are literally on day 79 if we were following this every day. But my student went ahead and traded, and the market was good, and she managed to get this account to almost $1,000 in just 13 trading sessions. Okay, 13th day, on the 13th day. That's why I'm giving you the 13th video today. We're going to show as many videos as we can. We may end up having up to 180 videos on this playlist, but watch each one of them. Don't miss anything. That's why I'm telling you, subscribe and hit the bell notification. Share this with your friends, like it, so that we can get as many people. We want to help as many people as possible, brothers and sisters, put bread on the table. And make sure you subscribe to our channel, okay? And if you want to get social, we have a Telegram group. You can go and join and ask your questions. We have if you don't like Telegram, we have WhatsApp. If you don't like WhatsApp, you can join our private Facebook group. If you don't like that, you can join our Instagram, and also make sure you join the Smart Wolf Club so you don't miss anything, and you can have a chance to learn more and more strategies, okay, that we share in the Smart Wolf Club community, because we are helping our members to become smart wolves themselves. All right, guys, so let's get started here. And I'm going to look at the pair that's paying 92. And as you have to form your bias. That's the first thing you do. First, the candles here are 30 seconds. This is just a refresher. If you have no idea what this is, go and check our previous videos. Okay, there's a playlist. I'm going to attach the link below. Go and watch that from video number 1 to this is video number 13. Watch each one of them. Don't miss. Enable the timer. Each candle represents 30 seconds, and the trade time is 1 minute. And we don't use any indicators, or we don't draw any complicated lines, because we are keeping it simple, stupid for beginners and even seasoned traders who like keeping stuff simple, just like we do in the community. We don't like complicated stuff, because we realize complicated stuff just confuses people, and it just increases your chances of losing. There are only two possible outcomes: either you win or you lose. It doesn't matter. Okay, when you take a trade, it's either it's gonna be in the money or it's gonna be out of the money. So there's no ways about it. You can use $1 million worth of an indicator. You can draw the most complicated lines, but at the end of the day, it's just two outcomes: either you win or you lose. Okay, can't be easier than that. So we're going to start with this 10.14. That's our first bid is 10.14, and we are ready to go. So first, let's look at these pairs and form our bias. Okay, looking at this one here, you can see this one, you see that one. These are called higher lows. So that means it is going up, and I see more green than red. So my bias is this is an upward trend right now. It was downwards here, but right now it is upward. You can see it's going up. Okay, so we're going to be taking the call option, and we're going to start on a new candle, and we just started, okay, but it is going down, so hopefully it will go up. If it doesn't, we're just going to go to the second level, which is 25.34. So we will come here and put 25.34, and we will be ready for the next trade. Okay, no problem. We wait, guys. We wait patiently. This one seems to have run away from us, but we still have about 27 seconds to go. We're just gonna wait for this. If we lose, we jump in with the second one. Okay, yeah, it seems like it's not going up as far as we want it to go, but it is going up. You can see it just shot up there, and we are going to win that. Booyah. Okay, see how easy that is, guys. So we go back. When you win, you just go back to the 10-14. There we go. So we're gonna wait and wait. We can look at a different pair. Again, you can see this is going up. It's like a change of, okay, let's look at a different one. Again, this one is also going up. Okay, so we wait. We're gonna wait for the candles. Okay, this is clearly an upward trend here, so we're gonna be looking for the call option. We wait for a new candle. We only enter when there's a new candle, guys. Okay, new candle is forming. New candle formation here. There we go, until it has to be green. If it is all the way red, we are not gonna jump in. We only jump in if the candle is green when we are taking call options. Okay, if you don't understand this, please go and check our previous videos. We have explained this strategy in detail, and if you want to learn one-on-one, you can join our binary options masterclass, where we dive deep into the details of all these strategies and many other strategies that we use. This is not the only strategy that we use. Okay, there we go. I was a little late, but let's see. Okay, so let's see that. If it doesn't work, we're gonna have to go to the second level trade, which is 25.34. 25.34. If we lose that, we're gonna go to the second level trade, which is 25.34. And hopefully that will be in the money, but so far it is behaving. It is Boeing. The stock we are using here is OTC, Boeing OTC. So we can use stocks. We can also use currency pairs. Currency pairs, you can see like AUD, CAD, anything that's paying 92%. That's what we use. We go for the 92%. Okay, looks like we're gonna lose this one, and therefore we get our first L, but we're gonna jump in as soon as a new candle forms and it is green. Okay, that candle is green, but we are late, so we're gonna wait, guys. Wait until a new candle forms, and if it is green, we're gonna jump in with our second level trade. Okay. So we got our first L here. Some days, as I told you guys, okay, there we go, and it is green. We jumped in. Okay, hopefully it will hold as green. Let's see, we gotta prepare for the next one. It's 63.37. If we lose this, we're gonna go to the next level, which is 63.37. So we just make sure it is queued and ready to go. All right, so we hold our horses here. This is now those times when your mindset has to be proper. Okay, it looks like it is going down now. So this is not good, but we have our goals and targets. If we lose, we come back again another day and continue trading, and we start from there. So some days you take 2 steps ahead and you take 3 steps backwards, but that's okay. You slowly build your account using the proper risk management. You can see this is not jumping up there. Okay. All right, so that went down. So we are ready to go to level number 3. Maybe we can try a different pair. Okay, let's see. We're gonna use a different pair. Okay, let's see that. We can go to currencies, bring up some currencies. Okay, there, let's see some currencies. See if we can get an obvious one that is clearly, that's not moving fast. We need one with enough momentum. Okay. Okay, this is acting, this is clearly going up. Okay. So we're going to wait for the new candle to form. There we go. And it is going down, going down, going up, going down. All right, so we're going to look at the next one is 158.41, 15841. That would be our last trade for the night. Okay, these are all acting weird. Okay. We wait, guys. We have like 14 seconds to go, 15 seconds to go. Okay, went much further down. And it looks like it's going to give us an L here. Okay, it's green. We jumped in with that one. So this is the last one we're going to take. If we lose this, we call it a day and come back to play another time. There are days you come in and you lose, okay? Some days are like that. You come in and you lose, and some days are you come in and you win. So we don't control the market. You just go lick your wounds and come back to play again. There has to be a loser one day and a winner another day. So it's all part of the game. Yeah, you can see the way it is acting here. Just a little bit push there, and okay. I think we just, okay, yeah, this one just broke even, so we're gonna have to go back to that same amount because we just broke even. And we're gonna watch for another one. Okay, we're gonna wait until it is green. Okay, that's the one. We watch until it is green. It's clearly going up. Okay. It has long wicks, so that's not a very good one. The long wicks are a little scary. Alright, let's look at another one. Let's look at the other pairs. See what the other pairs are doing. This one went down. So it's probably a downward trend here. That one, we can't even define it. Okay. Okay, this is clearly an upward trend. Okay, it's red, so we're not going to jump in. Yeah, when it's red, we cannot jump in because our idea is to take a call option. So we're not going to jump in for a red candle, okay? So let's take our time for this one. Okay, so you see it's still red. Very, very much undecided for us. Okay, it's still, guys, you can see some days the market is just horrible. Okay. And that's part of the game. You can see that it's just some days are just like that. It's better to be patient, take your time, so you make you minimize your chances of losing this. Okay, you can see here it's coming down really, really rapidly. Similar here. So it's going up, 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 and then now it starts going down, down. So we're going to see what candles are going to form here. Yeah, still forming red candles. We want green candles going up. Okay. Still forming a red candle. Okay, still forming a red candle. Green candle now. Okay, so let's see if we see a green candle. Okay. From the red candle. All it did was a red candle. So it's really going down now. So we're going to look at the next one, which is 396.04. My student said she can do that. 396.04. We lost that. So we're going to wait until the new candle forms. There we go. And she wants to take that one. 396.04. Okay. Okay, it went down. Okay, it's not going up. It has refused to go up. It has completely refused to go up. So it's going to give us an L here. We will go home and come back the next day to trade, because it looks like it has refused completely to push up. It has refused completely to push up. You can see it goes up and pushes down really hard, and that's not good for us. Okay, it's in the money though. Okay, they're gonna probably push it down now. Okay, it did. Okay, so it did get to our goal. Our goal was 1013, 1044, and you can see we are at 1106.51, guys. So we are over our goal by by 1106.51. So we're gonna go here, 1106.51 minus what we started with was 1013.85. 1013.85, and so we made 92.66, guys. So we could withdraw this $92.66. In how many trades did we take? She took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Okay, so 7 minutes. Each trade is a minute. So you make 92.66 in 7 minutes, guys. Okay. So let's say if you continue trading here for 1 hour, so every 7 minutes you're making 92.66 out of 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes divided by 7, let's say it's 8 sessions. Guys, you can see you can easily make over $700 if you continue, if the conditions may remain the same the way they were here. Very tough tonight. You could see it was very tough. We lost 1, we lost 2, 3, 4. So we literally just won 1, 2, 3. We just won 3 trades. We lost out of 7, we lost 4, we won 3, but because of our proper risk management, we are still profitable, guys. So if you work your numbers right, so tomorrow, guys, the next video, we're going to be working from this level here. You can see already we are at 1,106. Okay, so we made over $92. Our goal was just to get to 1,044. Our goal was to make about $31, but we tripled that. Okay, so we were over our goal by 92. What is that? 9206, 9266, guys. 9266. So you can imagine. Okay, it's not hard, guys. All you have to do is be consistent, be confident, because like risk management, you see, my student has a higher risk tolerance. Because most of the time I will leave at level number 4 and come back the next day and continue trading. But she says, no, I have a high risk tolerance. I can go up to level number 5. We have students who can go up to even much higher levels when they have big accounts. Okay, so depending on your account size, some people can go even up to level 10 of the modified martingale because they have huge accounts. So, and they have the confidence that you don't need to win all the trades that you take. You just need to win 1 or 2 good ones using proper risk management and in your goal. So the next trade we're going to be starting at you can see our next trade we are going to be starting at that amount. You can see 1106.1. We are not withdrawing anything right now until we double this account. This account is like 2,000 and something. Then we can start taking some withdrawals, so my student can go and spoil herself and her family. Maybe take her family out for dinner. So it's good sometimes to take some profits. Okay, so just for your psychology. So level 1 trade is going to be just 1% of that, which is 110. 1% of this amount here is 1107. Okay, level 2. Again, I can come here and do the calculation. It's 11. The amount on this account is 1106.51. 06.51 times 1%. Oh, sorry guys. 1106.51. That's, yep. And then multiply that by 2.5 to get our second level. Okay, so it's 27.66. Okay, so that's our next trade, level 3. So we just keep this ready for tomorrow. So we're going to take a break now. We already made $92 profit. We were over our goal by 92. So we made more than 92. You can see this is, yeah. Okay. Our goal was 1044, but we are now at 1106. So we went over our goal by like 60 something dollars, guys. All right, multiply this by 2.5. All right, so that's 69.16. 69.16. All right, there we go. And then level 4. Level 4. 2.5. 172.89. Okay, so we go up to 172.89, and then we're going to put an asterisk on this. Only Marcelo, who is my student, is going to level 5. There are others who are going only go to level 2 because of their risk tolerance is very, very low. And then depending on how much risk you're willing to take, okay, just know that you can lose, because you could lose. We could have lost all that money, but Marcelo has a high risk tolerance. So all that comes with your mindset, okay? Proper mindset, guys. Hanging around positive people, guys. Don't hang around people who are negative. Don't share your dreams. Okay, so just make sure you hang around students who are also willing to take the same type of risks, people who share the same aspirations with you. And that's why sometimes you need somebody to coach you, to be watching over your trades, okay? And that's why we offer the Smart Wolf Club. Join the club. And you can hang around some of our coaches who've been online for many, many years. Some of us have been online since 1998, so we can share a lot of experience with you. Anything online, we've been there, we've been done that, whether it is Forex trading, crypto now, the in thing. We have students who are going through our crypto trading masterclass, and they're learning how to buy Bitcoin, and we're actually sharing some of the trainings for free. We have Forex trading sessions where we share our Forex trading strategies. We actually modify this key strategy for Forex students, for crypto students, and we also teach other more advanced strategies where you use all kinds of indicators and drawing lines and shapes, and we do all that, okay? All right? So just come and join us, like this, become part of the family, guys, and with your support, we're going to grow this channel. Make sure you subscribe, invite all your friends, make sure you subscribe all your friends so we can grow this channel, guys. And I will see you in my next training, where I will be taking this 1106, and our goal would be, let's see what would be our goal here. Let's go and look at our goal. Our goal is going to be, I forgot to put the goal here. Starting at 1106.51. To find our goal is very simple. 1106.51, you just multiply by 103%, okay? Because we are only looking for 3% daily. Our daily goal is 3%, to grow this account by 3%, which is massive, guys. Where on earth can you get 3% return. You know, your bank account probably grows by 0.1% per year. Just imagine making 3% every day. In a month, you can 90%. You almost double your account in 1 month. Okay. You guys know the rule of 72. The rule of 72 states that if you are making 6% interest per month, you're going to double your account in 1 year. That's the rule of 72. It's nothing complicated. I know people talk about it like it's something complicated. It's very simple, just simple mathematics. When we talk about the rule of 72, it says if they are giving you 6% interest per month, in 1 year you will double your account. So that takes how long it's going to take to double your account. That's the rule of 72. Okay? Very, very simple, guys. So you just divide whatever interest they are giving you, divide 72 by that number of interests. It gives you the number of months or years, whatever it is, interest they're giving you, how long it's going to take to get to doubling your account, guys. Okay, so you can see we are already here. So we'll be looking at about 11:39, but who knows, we might just go above that like we did tonight. Okay, so we have our goals, but the market, we don't control the markets. There are no guarantees in the market. We could come tomorrow and actually lose everything that we gained today, wipe out our gains. But again, we exercise proper risk management, so we are not going to blow the account. Okay, we started this account at $100, so we can afford to go down to $100. We'll still have preserved our capital preservation. Okay, that's the main goal of this strategy. You want to preserve your capital while you give yourself a chance to make profit. Okay, what a good way of learning how to trade. You're preserving your capital, you're minimizing the chances of you blowing your account, at the same time giving yourself a massive chance of making massive profits, as you've seen it here tonight, guys. All right, guys, have a good night, good day, and have a nice day. May the Almighty give you the powers to succeed in the market. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.